CoConstruct is one of the best tools for subcontractor management, helping you streamline communication, stay organized, and improve the overall efficiency of your projects. In this video, we'll dive into the best practices for using CoConstruct for subcontractor management, so you can take full advantage of the software and make your projects run smoother. Before we get started, don't forget that you can use CoConstruct for completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses, so stick around for that offer. Now, let's get into it. The first thing to know is that CoConstruct allows you to easily manage bids from multiple subcontractors. Rather than juggling spreadsheets and emails, you can centralize all your bid requests, track responses, and compare them in one place. This keeps things organized and saves a lot of time. Whether you're managing small or large projects, this feature helps ensure you're always comparing apples to apples. Next thing, let's talk about change orders. Managing changes to the original contract is always tricky, but CoConstruct makes it easy to track and approve them. Subcontractors can quickly view and accept or reject any changes directly within the platform. This reduces the chance of miscommunication or costly mistakes, ensuring that your project timeline and budget stay on track. The third thing is communication. CoConstruct isn't just for managing paperwork, it's a great tool for communication between you and your subcontractors. You can send messages, ask questions, and share updates, all in real time. This ensures that everyone involved stays in the loop, which helps prevent delays and misunderstandings down the line. Next, let's talk about scheduling. CoConstruct's calendar and scheduling tools make it easy to assign tasks, set deadlines, and keep subcontractors accountable. You can view upcoming milestones and make adjustments as needed, which allows you to proactively avoid project delays. Plus, you'll always know who's responsible for what, so there's no confusion. The fifth thing is the cost tracking and budgeting feature. With CoConstruct, you can keep a close eye on costs by tracking actual expenses against your budget. When subcontractors submit their invoices, you can easily match them to the original estimate to spot any discrepancies. This helps keep your projects on budget and ensures you're not caught off guard by unexpected costs. Now, here's a little bonus tip. Use CoConstruct's mobile app to manage your subcontractors on the go. The app gives you the flexibility to check in on project progress, approve or deny bids, and communicate with your team from anywhere. This makes it easier to manage your projects no matter where you are. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that CoConstruct is offering a free trial, and you can access it through the exclusive link in the description below. Along with that free trial, you'll also receive some great bonuses to help you get the most out of your experience with the software. By following these best practices for subcontractor management in CoConstruct, you'll be well on your way to improving project efficiency, reducing costs, and staying ahead of your deadlines. Don't miss out on the chance to streamline your workflow and improve your project management. Click the link below for your free trial and bonuses today.